Hey folks, Cody here, back with another beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar lesson. I'm a former student of ETSU's Bluegrass and Old Time Country Music program here on this channel. We are breaking this down nice and slow so you're not frustrated with learning bluegrass guitar. If you think it's impossible, you're wrong. We just have to go slow, nice and easy. If this lesson is a little too difficult, or if you just enjoy my teaching style that much, there's a couple options here. I offer one-on-one private Zoom lessons. That way you can focus on whatever it is that's causing you trouble, or I do offer a ever-growing beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar course/membership. A lot of the feedback from folks in there saying, hey, thanks. This is actually for beginners. This is helping me along. Check it out in there. You're gonna get on-screen tabs, lots of visuals to help your learning outcomes along, all right? So today we are in one of the three main keys that we play in this style of music. Those are the key of G, the key of D, and the key of C, all right? So very fundamentally speaking, in this key, the three main chords that we're gonna use to create songs and play with different progressions are our C major, our F chord, F major, and our G chord, all right? That's our 1, 4, and 5 respectfully, okay? But in this lesson, we are just focusing on our 1 chord, okay? Our C chord, all right? And the purpose of this lesson is to introduce you into how to play a blue note in this key, all right? Now, a blue note in this context is just a note that gives us a lot of bluegrass real estate. And in this scenario here, that note is on the 4th fret of our B string. That is an E flat note. You're gonna hear that note referred to as the flattened third or maybe the minor third. But the important takeaway here is that the more we integrate this note into our runs, our licks, our bluegrass playing, the more bluegrass we're going to sound, okay? What I was doing there at the beginning was just coming out of a regular C rhythm, and I am going from the 3rd fret to the 4th fret and integrating that open E string in there, all right? So I've got an E flat note and a E note, all right? And that gives us this really bluegrass sound, okay? Now I'm sliding up with my ring finger. The exact sequence isn't that important, but getting these notes to ring out together right here is, all right? So there's tons of different ways we can, vary our playing there. But what you're trying to do here is just to slide and get those notes to ring out the way that you want. And another way to approach it would be with your pinky right there, okay? Kind of depends on where we're going to and where we're coming from when we're integrating this into a real song. But we're not done because there was another part of that lick, all right, of the intro lick. What I'm doing there is playing a variation of the bluegrass C run, but here's the cool part, is that I'm integrating that same note, that E flat, only I'm playing it there on my D string 1st fret, and I'm sliding over that to then kind of connect that C run. If you're not familiar with what a C run is, download the free mini course below. I've got it tabbed out for you. But this goes to demonstrate the broader lesson here that integrating that note in our runs makes us sound like bluegrass, all right? So just again, that's the sort of classic way. But you can vary the way you play the C run or the bluegrass G run or the D run. What I think of as like retrofitting them into the lick or exercise. The important part is that note, all right? So again, you can find it on the 4th fret of the B string here in the key of C, and the other accessible one here, right there on the 1st fret of our D string, all right? So folks, I hope you found this quick bluegrass lesson helpful. I'm really big on chunking it down bit by bit here. That way you walk away really understanding what I'm talking about and that you have something to practice and something that you can take and not only just, play what I showed you here, but now you know that When you see that note pop up, that 4th fret of the B string, you're gonna go, oh, okay, that's that special note, and if I play around with that, I'm gonna uncover some more bluegrassiness. All right, so folks, we'll see you on the next one. Go down and get you a private lesson or go and enroll in Flatpick Foundations. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna feel rewarded. It's probably gonna be the best day ever. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.